This is the AI News Flash for May 25th, 9 p.m. UTC. First up, Washington Post. Exclusive reports that frontier AI lab Anthropic is strategically aligning with Vatican Pope Leo XIV rather than the White House on AI regulation, marking a decisive moment of political realignment in the AI industry. Anthropic co-founder Jack Clark publicly attended a Vatican event right after Pope Leo released the world's first AI encyclical Magnificent Humanity, a 42,300-word historic document warning of AI weaponization, autonomous weapons, mass surveillance, and worker exploitation.
Anthropic faces deepening conflict with Trump administration over AI deregulation, currently in legal battle over Pentagon's supply chain risk designation, with CEO Amadei calling it retaliatory and punitive. After $200 million in contracts were canceled, strategic alignment with religious authority shifts governance discourse.
Amid global AI governance pressure from OpenAI Altman's proposal for a global AI agency, G7 AI SBOM guidance, EU AI Act, and 38 U.S. state AI regulation laws, Anthropic-Vatican partnership is an unprecedented alliance, marking a critical 2026 milestone for AI governance. Second, Forbes exclusive features Kleiner Perkins chairman John Doerr, earliest investor in Google and Amazon, declaring that AI is currently underhyped rather than overhyped, delivering a bold contrarian message to institutional investors amid deepening bubble concerns. Doerr argues that AI's social and economic transformation potential vastly exceeds current market valuations, and that AI's contribution to climate change, healthcare, education, and poverty over the next decade will be enormous. He emphasizes current $10 trillion AI stock market cap may actually be undervalued. This counters institutional investor bubble concerns, including Michael Burry's $1.1 billion AI bubble short puts, Norway's sovereign wealth fund 35% loss risk estimate, Bridgewater danger phase warning, and IMF private credit AI boom overheating warnings. Doerr offers a decisive long-term optimism signal. Amid hyperscaler, four companies, $725 billion 2026 capex boom, AI infrastructure, circular trading structure, scrutiny by institutional investors, and clear divergence between AI wrapper companies and true AI native SaaS. Doerr's statement reinforces industry long-term investment thesis, marking a 2026 AI investment debate milestone. Third, Iowa Capitol Dispatch reports Iowa State enacted new AI chatbot regulation law, but child safety advocates argue stronger regulations are urgently needed, marking the latest case in the U.S. state-level AI regulation rush. Iowa's new law requires age verification on AI chatbots for minors, mandates human operator handoff on suicide self-harm risk detection, prohibits sexual exploitation content generation, and requires parental notification. Tennessee, Maine, Pennsylvania follow with similar state-level minor AI protection laws. Across the U.S., 27 states have 78-plus AI chatbot safety bills under review. Kaiser Permanente AI clinical lawsuit, Character AI minor lawsuit, Pennsylvania Attorney General AI false medical info lawsuits show legal regulation acceleration. Conflict with White House federal unified regulation policy intensifies. Child safety advocacy groups evaluate Iowa law as just a beginning and demand substantial strengthening of enforcement and penalties, warning of deepening minor AI companion dependency risks, making this a critical 2026 AI governance child protection milestone. Fourth, Live5 News reports surging AI-generated deepfake attack ads in U.S. 2026 midterm elections just before early voting begins, marking decisive escalation of AI election information warfare and signaling urgent political AI governance needs. In multiple state primaries, AI-synthesized voice and video fake ads are being mass distributed with candidate statement manipulation, fabricated scandals, and voter misdirection campaigns surging. The Republican National Senatorial Committee previously distributed a hyper-real deepfake ad against a Democratic candidate, accelerating both parties' AI attack ad experiments. AI industry super PACs leading the future at $125 million and Public First Action at $150 million are pouring midterm election funds, while Trump prepares executive order to block state AI regulation. Federal Election Commission has yet to issue AI-generated election ad guidelines, deepening political AI governance gap. California and Texas have limited AI-generated political ad regulations, but federal unified regulation is absent. AI deepfakes becoming mainstream 2026 midterm political tool is now certain. AI's impact on democratic foundations is becoming a serious issue, marking a 2026 AI election governance milestone. Fifth, Medical Express reports AI-driven drug discovery platform identified folic acid vitamin B9 as new treatment for diabetic wound healing, marking decisive achievement in AI drug repurposing field and AI drug discovery commercialization milestone. The research uses AI machine learning to screen thousands of approved drugs, identifying folic acid as a diabetic chronic wound healing accelerator. Mechanism analysis identifies three concurrent pathways: angiogenesis promotion, cell proliferation promotion, and inflammation suppression. Animal models demonstrate clinical efficacy. With an estimated 15 million diabetic foot ulcer patients worldwide and 1 million amputations annually, folic acid's safety and low cost enable rapid human clinical trials. AI drug discovery market projected to reach $25 billion by 2030, aligning with Tempus AI, Roche Path AI acquisition, and Anthropic Coefficient Bio $400 million acquisition trends. Alongside Google DeepMind Alpha Evolve, Stanford Gemini algebraic geometry theorem proving Microsoft AI liver fibrosis drug discovery, and Sakana AI self-evolving AGI as part of AI scientific discovery automation, repurposing strategy emerges as the most critical AI drug discovery application, marking decisive 2026 AI pharmaceutical development milestone. That's all for this AI News Flash.